Live in Sardinia Estate is pleased to present La Casa di Campu. This charming country house for sale in Luogo Santo is set within a 9-hectare estate, featuring lush pastures and a dense forest of holm oaks and wild olive trees. The house spans 4 levels and includes a ground floor with an elegant entrance, a bright living room and a spacious kitchen. The second floor boasts 3 large bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The estate is the perfect retreat for nature lovers and those seeking relaxation. Don't miss the chance to visit. Contact us.